And here we are. A beautiful fork of our salad. And I gotta say, this just bursts into your mouth all kind of different tastes. There are the sweets of the plums and the foodiness of the salmon and chickpeas. So, here it goes. Once again, here's the perfect brunch plate model. We got autumn meat stew. We got the salads right there with pomegranate, all kind of different nuts, cashew, walnut, Brazil nuts. Then we got Finnish grown cantaloupe and mango from abroad. The fruits, the salads and the meat. With this one you can keep it real through the winds of the autumn and through the upcoming colds of the winter. This doesn't leave you cold, although you can eat it cold. It keeps you warm. How the autumnal meat stew looks in the next morning brunch. It's like stuffed lasagna. The tomato taste is still in the background, but it's not so strong, and there's that sweeter taste instead, in my opinion. So, this is our morning brunch this time, along with the salads, mango, and cantaloupe. Yep. This has been kind of slowly cooking in the fridge while being cold. This is really good as cold without warming it even. And we would say that the plum taste is more now on the surface. You don't see the plums itself anymore there because they have been melted. But this is real good even for the next morning brunch. Keep it real. Autumnal meat stew. And here is our autumnal meat stew. Shining in the all wonders it has kept inside. Chickpeas, eggplant, mushrooms, lump minced meat, potatoes, red pepper, and a lot of different sauces. Yep. There we go. So we are picking up the bay leaves away from there. Perhaps don't eat them, but it adds up the sauce and for the embellishment of the plate. There's the fourth one. Like
Cooking in the kitchen. Autumn meat stew.
Meat and potatoes in one kettle. Organic minced lump meat and potatoes together. scoop in olive oil. Agave syrup into the mix. And then begins the exciting phase of saucing it up. So first of all, bay leaf. A little bit of a dose of black pepper. Then we mix it up like that. Ooh, remember to mix it up. A teaspoon of cumin. There you go. Teaspoon of cinnamon. Coriander, teaspoon also. A teaspoon of cayenne pepper. There you go. Of carnation. So here we used olive oil along with hemp oil. Then we mix them up like this. Then backwards to the other way. And then we decided to mix them up all in the same kettle. And then we add the tomato sauce. Chickpeas in. All the juices there. Then keep it well mixed so it doesn't burn out. A little bit of water to help up soften the potatoes, and then you can cook it slowly. Looks good, delicious. Taste it a little bit for the sauces. Cool it a little bit, don't burn your tongue. Cook it slowly for 15 minutes under the lid. Or 30 minutes if you like, but you can, down after 15 minutes, you can let it just be under the lid without power on. While the power is on, keep mixing it now and then. Don't let it burn. So then you can sauce it up again, up to the taste you like. We are going to add a little bit of salt more. Then we add both peppers, black pepper and cayenne pepper. And cayenne, there you go. So cumin also another teaspoon, and we are going to add all the other sauces another teaspoon as well. And cinnamon were added there, another teaspoon. There you go. Cheers. And the secret sauce was tahini. We added big teaspoon of that. The moon and the plums. There is the moon behind. Here's the plum. Plums are in the mix. We have special quest. 2 variations of plums and apple from all of this from our own yard. Then in additional foodie. To the mix, we add chickpeas. There we go. And here we got the big bowl. The salad ready to go. And then we mix them all together. And here we go. There we go. Gotta be a big bowl for big persons. Then we got, and here is the result. Plums. There are the plums. Natural. Plums and natural. Salmon that was roasted yesterday, and now we are eating it this morning. And then our cashew addition. We crushed these by hand this time, just to leave them bigger than what would blend in the mixture. So now, cheers. Yeah, and here we are. A beautiful fork of our salad. And I gotta say, this just bursts into your mouth all kind of different tastes. There are the sweets of the plums and the foodiness of the salmon and chickpeas. So, here it goes. Like someone said, you could eat these kind of salads every day with different variations. Peace out.